Ever wake up and feel like something's just not right? Your brain isn't focused, your body doesn't feel energized, and you just can't seem to get yourself going in the morning. Starting your day with an early bird morning cocktail can help you wake up and set yourself up for success every day. These easy recipes will help you get that morning pick-me-up you need to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. What is Early Bird Morning Cocktail? Early Bird Morning Cocktail is a natural morning energy boost supplement made up of fresh fruits, vegetables, vitamins, and more designed to give you an instant boost of energy and put a smile on your face. Did you know that 1 out of 3 adults never get enough sleep? Sleep deprivation can cause serious health problems like diabetes, depression, and high blood pressure. Start every day on a bright note with Early Bird Morning Cocktail. How does Early Bird Morning Cocktail work? To understand how Early Bird Morning Cocktail works, you need to know how alcohol affects your body. Alcohol is absorbed through digestion in small amounts, so it doesn't take much for it to impact your sleep cycles. The problem with alcohol and sleep is that as soon as you drink, your body feels an immediate increase in energy, which makes you want to stay awake. Because of that surge of energy, most people who have a glass of wine with dinner stay up later than they would without alcohol and have trouble falling asleep when they get into bed. Benefits of Early Bird Morning Cocktail. Having trouble waking up in time for work? Try Early Bird's Morning Cocktail. It gives you just enough energy to give your body a boost and wakes you up without making you feel sluggish. If used consistently, it can improve your sleep quality and make it easier for you to wake up every morning, even on weekends. Having trouble waking up in time for work? Try Early Bird's Morning Cocktail. It gives you just enough energy to give your body a boost and wakes you up without making you feel sluggish. If used consistently, it can improve your sleep quality and make it easier for you to wake up every morning, even on weekends. Drink more water instead of coffee before bedtime. Drinking too much coffee late at night can disturb sleeping patterns as well as increase stress levels. Early Bird Morning Cocktail ingredients and doses: melatonin, caffeine, ginger root powder, L-tyrosine, DMAE melatonin, caffeine, ginger root powder, L-tyrosine, DMAE vinpostine, bitartrate 1,3, magnesium glycinate chelate, milk thistle extract powder, MCT oil that is 100% pure and unadulterated. These components may be found at practically any natural food store or online. Simply click on each ingredient to be sent to a website where you can purchase it. Remember, even though my drink has 7 ingredients, you only need 2 things to make it: an empty stomach and room temperature water. Here's how you can do it. 1. Fill a cup halfway with water. 3. Add half of an effervescent pill. 2. Add 1 scoop of MCT oil. 4. Add a teaspoon of ginger root powder to the mixture. 5. Take 1 melatonin tablet. 6. Take 1 teaspoon of L-tyrosine. 8. Add half a teaspoon of vinpostine and 10 drops of DMAE bitartrate. 9. Give it a good shake for around 20 seconds. Drink number 10. That's all there is to it. This is what you do every morning, and you feel more alert than you have in the past. Side effects of taking Early Bird Morning Cocktail. Always remember that different people have varied reactions to certain foods and beverages. Consult your doctor before attempting any new dietary supplement. When used in moderation by healthy people, however, there is no indication of negative impacts. Many customers claim that it enhances their alertness, focus, and overall energy levels, which makes sense given that coffee contains caffeine and ginger is known to help individuals feel more energized. Ginger offers a long list of health benefits, including preventing nausea and aiding digestion. Early Bird Morning Cocktail money-back guarantee. If you've never been able to wake up early, try our premium cocktail as part of your morning routine. We can guarantee that it will help you fall asleep faster and wake up earlier without feeling groggy. Packed with flavor, easily mixed and healthy ingredients, we'll show you how you can wake up on time without any problems. Save time, money, and energy by using our research-backed cocktail to solve your sleep problems while making waking up a little more fun. 60 days money-back guarantee ensures that if it doesn't work for you, we will refund your purchase price. Final conclusion: the majority of people who struggle to get out of bed in the morning start their day with a hefty cup of coffee. While there's nothing wrong with drinking coffee or tea, they're not the ideal options for staying awake in the morning for a variety of reasons. Start with the Early Bird Morning Cocktail, which hydrates your body while also increasing the number of electrolytes in your system. It also boosts your energy and enhances your mood. As soon as users wake up in the morning, they should take 1 bottle. I hope you enjoyed my review and let me know what you think about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Link in the description box to make up early morning enjoyable.